not in a good mood to say anything right now.
Oh, you know, today is the day. I think it's a time for you to show love to the Haitians, and not much, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's a lot. 300,000 people was died from the earthquake. You know, there was the mother nature. You know how everything goes. You should, you know.
I know, but I pray for them. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, it's a prayer. Yeah, make sure the Lord already over us already, but still we have to keep up with the prayer,
I understand
right?
everything. It happened for it's a reason why it's happening.
True, true, true.
So
Everything is for a reason. That's why we gotta keep on praying, Jah
that's
Rastafari,
why I
King
pray. I pray.
Selassie.
I
Yeah.
pray. Yeah, yes, I
True,
do that.
true. That's why we say one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. So, Bridget, so Ross, you from Jamaica, right? You from Yard? Nah?
Go ahead.
We from Haiti. Okay, I'm from Haiti. You know, like what's going on in Haiti right now? It's a lot going on. People fighting each other. You know what I mean? They don't want no peace, and that's why we keep crying every day and keep up the prayer. You know, these people can keep up with the peace. You know what I mean? You know, even though the earthquake happening, we praying for another one to come. See? Yeah.
Yeah, but it happened for a reason. It's a
Yeah,
reason
true,
why.
true. It's a reason. It's a
But God
reason.
know why.
Yeah, everything is a reason. True, true,
Yeah,
true.
everything
You're
for a
right.
reason.
That's why we give thanks, man. We say ça passe, n'a boule,
I have to
and
give thanks every day,
every day.
all the time, all
Uh,
the time, all the
you're
time.
right. You're right. All right, Ross. Bless up.
Because He give us life.
You give us life.
Yes.
Sure. Bless up.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.